I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the Multi-Award Winning Speed Screed. I'm here to talk about Retonal Xtreme. There are a large number of fast-drying screed products on the market, but Retonal is in a class of its own. This product, developed by PCT, can offer fast-drying screed nearly unmatched performance, making it a great screed product. Retonal Xtreme offers nearly unmatched drying times. The screed dries in 48 hours to the extent that tiling can take place, while after 72 hours, Retonal Xtreme facilitates all other kinds of floor coverings. Due to its insensitivity to moisture, it is also suitable for wet areas, even permanent ones. Find that hard to believe? Well, we're not actually done. Retonal Xtreme allows foot traffic after just 24 hours. What's more, Retonal Xtreme reaches 80 to 90% of its final strength after just 3 to 4 days. It has a final strength between C40 to C60. This strength is also subject to dependent use of the aggregate. You will be happy to know that Retonal Xtreme comes with a TUV certificate recognised under EU standards as a construction product with no negative impact on human health when handled or added into a floor screed installation. With its extended working life, with a short drying period, it is ideal for underfloor heating, with improved thermal conductivity aided by its early compressive and flexural strength. Retonal Xtreme is the choice for fast drying screed. Retonal Xtreme can be used for both internal and external flooring. When looking for fast track insulation, Retonal Xtreme is the additive with low shrinkage and low tension. Suits bonded, unbonded and floating construction types, enhances pumping and increases workability enormously. High strength is a key feature of Retonal Xtreme, ensuring its suitability for those heavy industrial projects, down to regular domestic. Used internally or externally and as a finished surface, making Retonal Xtreme very versatile. It's perfect for particularly high strengths in the industrial field and accelerated hardening where early loading is required. With minimum depths of only 25mm bonded and 35mm floating, its application is wide. I hope this helps with your Retonal Xtreme questions. Do get in touch for more information.